my name is Monica Willems. I'm a CHI artist and an education ambassador for Farouk Systems. As a colorist, utilizing new Chroma Intense dye technology by CHI, with my canvas, I am able to create any color you can imagine with a low inventory. So let's get started creating some magic. It's important to use a clean canvas, so we pre-lightened her hair with CHI Blondest Blonde and CHI Color Generator 30 volume. Our starting level was a level 5. Then we shaded 2 inches of her regrowth with CHI Ionic Permanent Shine Color 2N, 1 ribbon inch of blue additive with CHI Color Generator 10 volume, and processed for 30 minutes. We've rinsed and now we're ready to create some magic. Today we will be creating the modern Fairytale. We will start by sectioning the hair 2 inches above the occipital bone. Today we used 4 mixtures: CHI Chromashine Out of the Blue with Onyx, CHI Chromashine Grass Roots with Pearl White and Out of the Blue, CHI Chromashine Pearl White with a dot of Out of the Blue, CHI Chromashine Pearl White with a dot of Grass Roots. Working in the bottom section, we'll be smudging our 3 colors, starting with the darkest blue into the dark green, finishing with the light green. And the pie sections on the top of the head will be alternating, using the same formulation, but on the in-between colors, we'll be using just the dark blue into the light blue. This will create the reflect effect that you get from the cameras that everyone's looking for. Now let's get started. As you can see, we finished. Now let's talk about processing time. We'll process between 10 and 15 minutes. For this specific model, we're choosing a 15-minute processing time. Then we'll rinse thoroughly, apply a color lock treatment for 5 full minutes. Here you can see the CHI Chromashine color palette. With the new Chroma Intense dye technology from CHI, you can now create any color you can imagine with a low inventory of colors. You can create any color you can dream. After the processing time, we rinse the color out of the hair until the water is clear. Towel dry the hair and lock the CHI Chromashine color in the hair with CHI Color Lock treatment. We leave this in for 5 full minutes.